to the most cringiest videos of the entire planet. Hello, my name is kamkambright. If you're new to my channel, remember to subscribe to my channel, and if you are a subscriber, welcome back. Today, I have a thrift flip DIY clothing videos for y'all because I saw a lot of this kind of video in the internet, and I decided to thrift flips my clothing as well. Well, I don't actually thrifted these items. These items is actually been in my closet, just that I don't wear them anymore. So the first things that I'll be flipping, thrift flipping, is this blazer. I got it from Taobao a really long time ago, but it doesn't really flatter my shape well. So I decided to DIY the clothing a little bit to something like this. I'm completely new to sewing, so I'm trying a really simple DIY project first. When I've mastered what's called sewing, I will start with a more difficult project, but this is the most easiest designs I can find from the internet, and I think I have the confidence to do with that. Let me show you the new member that I added to my home, which is a sewing machine. I know, I spent another 500 ringgit on a sewing machine. I'm not rich, girl, I'm not rich. That's why I buy a sewing machine, so that in the future when I have a lot of clothes that I can't wear anymore, I can sew it by my own. I don't need to bring to the sewing machine store. Okay, stop making excuse, I just want it. So here's a sewing machine. I don't know how the clothes are going to turn out. Hopefully it turn out great. Just wish me luck. Let's start with the video. So the first thing that I did is that I removed the pocket from this jacket, and then I cut off the top and the bottom part of the jacket. I didn't have any rules or any sort of measurement here, but basically the grid does the job for me. I decided to leave the button just the way they are because I think it adds some highlight to the design. I'm taking my favorite tank top, and this is from Pomelo as a guideline on how white I want the fabric to be. And then I chop off this excess fabric from the clothes. Do remember to leave some allowance of room at the side because you will need this extra fabric to sew your clothes. Then I flip the fabric inside out to pin the side before sewing it. Yes, I noticed the fabric is still inside out, but I purposely do it that way. I've already cut a small U shape at the back of the fabric because I find it look better that way, but I'm not really satisfied with the U shape that I created. And the button in the front is also located at a really weird spot, and that's the problem that I noticed, and that's the part that I need to make adjustment on. Cut here. To resolve the issues of having a weird button spot, I decided to reallocate it and added some button as well. Then I seal the side of the clothes using a lot of straight stitches. Hi, it's me again. If you're curious, I am wearing a cloak. I'm wearing what I was creating now. I do wear clothes, so bear in mind from that. I just realized that the sleeve that I cut off was way too short to even put on the sleeve to act as the, you know, the thing. So I need to change my plan. For the back here, I'm going to cut a really long line for my strip. Yes, that's the word, strip. And other than that, I think this outfit is almost done. So let's wait until I'm finished. Hi. And voila, the clothes is done. Hi, sorry for this random video sequences. While editing this videos, I realized that I never informed you that I cut my hair short, so I just want to give a little bit of information that yes, I do cut my hair short. Nothing really actually happened. I just want to cut my hair short. I did not break up with my boyfriend or anything dramatic. I just want my hair short. So yes, let's go back with the video. So this is how the clothing finally turned out with. I'm pretty happy with the outcome of the clothes. The only complaint that I have is with the straps here. If you can notice this one is pretty okay, and this one is like a rat just ate my clothes or something. I don't really mind it. I think it's just not really noticeable from far. To cover the unbalanced straps from the top, I usually paired it with a blazer. And this is how the clothing turned out with. I'm pretty happy with the outcome of the clothes. I think it's pretty cute, especially the checker part and the button in the middle. I think it's really cute. Hi. One more thing is that I actually have two clothes that I want to thrift flip. Because of some technical difficulties with the second clothes that I am designing, I think I'll be separating the videos into two parts, but that's what I am planning right now. I'll see how the videos come out. So if that's what I decided, then this might be the end of the videos. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!